Hi everyone, welcome to our live show, our online content fair. My name is Emily and I am the sales manager at SouthSea-Bath factory. It is my honor to introduce today's topic, how to make a custom bathtub. Well, there are many new friends. Maybe you do not know about our factory. Please allow me a little time to make a short introduction. Our factory is established in 1992, and our main products are custom bathtub, kitchen sink, and shower basin. Our daily output is more than 300 pieces. There are about 180 workers here. The turnover about last year is about 10 billion US dollars. About 19% is for export market. Okay, now let's go to the topic, how to make a custom bathtub. It will take 5 minutes, about 6 parts, like make mold, make rough cast tub, and polishing, blasting, glazing, and enameling. If anyone has questions during live, please leave a message or turn to our sales team. Now, let's start with the first step, to design mold. It is the basic for the whole product manufacturing. It is like playing with mud. Of course, it is not simply playing. It should be technical. All our mold design and workers are with more than 15 years experience. They make and design the mold, strictly follow up the quality control system. Firstly, we beat up the fair clay, coke brace, and water in a rotary plate machine. Then fix up the sample on an iron bracket. Fill in the fair clay between the sample and the iron bracket, making it consolidated. Then we will get 2 parts of the mold, the upper half and the other was called the bottom half. After that, we will inspect the mold with floor pellets to test the aperture between the upper half and the bottom half of the mold. This section is very important to quality control of mold manufacturing and mold modification. Actually, the aperture about that is the thickness of the rough tub. It decides the width and the deformation about the tub. Well, the last step of the mold is punching it. It is not allowed any moisture in the mold. Otherwise, the melt iron will burst forth from mold when we casting. Then we will finish all the steps for the mold. Let's go to the second step, casting. We pour the melt iron into mold and coat into casting, rough cast. First, we collect iron, coke, and small stone as our raw material. They should be gathered according to a certain proportion, and the ratio of the iron and coke and small stone is 6:1. Then we burn the iron in copper at about 1400 degrees. Secondly, we pour the hot iron into mold. 1 minute later, we will lift up upper half and get out the rough cast from mold. Coat it for half hour and weigh it. Thirdly, the 4 sides of the rough cast should be cut because there are a lot of superfluity exist on the rough cast edge and uneven in the bath internal. The third step is polishing. The workers use the grinder to polish the rough cast to be smooth. This way, the uneven will be disappeared in the bath internal by this way. Then we will get a smooth bathtub wrap. The fourth step is blasting. We will put the rough cast into short blasting machine and let it blast for 20 minutes. The purpose of this step is to clean up the graphite and iron rust. This section provides a foundation for the following up sections. Then we go to the final step, glazing. The worker uses the airbrush which filled up with liquid glass, painting the visible interface of bath evenly. Generally speaking, the final glazing thickness will be 0.1 millimeter. Then we will go to the important step, enameling. Generally speaking, the rough cast should be burnt 5 times under high temperature, about 900 degrees, and enamel 4 times. The interval time should be at least 10 minutes. The porcelain powder thickness is about 1.4 to 1.7 millimeter. As for the level of the porcelain powder, there are 3 levels. That is A, A+, and AA. Now, we usually use A+ in our production. Of course, we will use AA if the clients request. Then, the tub is finished. For the drop-in tub, it will be packed after inspection one by one. It includes the size, the deformation, the tolerance, and the enamel, and so on. Actually, during the whole production line, the inspection is existing. And for freestanding tub, back treatment is needed. Okay, guys, thanks for your time. It is almost finished for the topic how to make a custom bathtub. If you have any question or interest in our bathtub, please leave a message or turn to our sales team. My name is Emily. Okay, my email is emily@bathtub-channel.com, and my mobile and WeChat is 15175 11644 and 6. Okay, wish this topic is helpful for you to understand the progress of how to make a custom bathtub. If you have interest, please visit our website. Now, I would like to show you our bathtub on our showroom. During this period, there are so many clients from Russian market and Central Asian. So I would like to show you the top sales for this market. Let's go. Well, I should make a short brief about the North American and European. For this market, well, the freestanding bathtub is very popular, such as the clawfoot tub, and the skirt tub. Okay, now let's go to the drop-in tub for Russian market and Asian Central. You can see all the products we can produce. Well, the radiator is also popular for Russian market. Okay, we will go to our drop-in custom and bathtub showroom. Hello, this is our boss, Alisa. Say hello.
Hi.
Bye. Here we are for Russian market. Well, the top one sale model is this one. The number of our SouthSea-Bath is about NH8. Well, the size is from about 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, and 1.8 millimeter. You can see the shape is very simple. So this is a cheaper one. And the second top about the market is about this one with handles. Yeah. When you lie in the tub, you will feel very comfortable about this shape, your bank. The size is also about 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, and 1.8 millimeter. Now, let's go to the third one. This is our NH14. It is with also the handles. About the shape, you can see the line, the shape, and the back seat. Okay, let's go to this one. This is our model about NH13. It is also popular in Russian market. Well, for Russian market, I want to show you more because we started the market since 2018. The Russian market is our first important market. And actually, before 2012, we usually will export about 15 containers per month. Well, after 2012, the anti-duty dumping, this sales is reduced. So we have so many clients in Russia for more than 15 years. Well, I will show you the photos about our clients. These are our meeting room. You can see some of our clients. Say hello to friends.
Hello.
They are preparing for our live show. Good luck to them. So these are all the photos about our clients. Can you figure out which is the Russian clients? Well, hi Vladimir, are you here? Okay, guys, let's go to the showroom. Okay, everybody, it's my honor to introduce my factory. If you have any questions, please call me. Have a nice day. Goodbye.